Hi everyone and welcome to Vector Illustration. I'm Kelly and I'll be your professor for the course. I do things a little bit differently. As you will notice, I don't have the camera on myself. I have two very small children, and most of the time when I'm recording you probably would not want to see my face, so I stick to mostly screen captures for everyone's safety. I'm just going to go ahead and take you through a few of the things to expect from the course. I know this week is very light as it is just our introduction. So what we'll be doing in this course is we'll be doing higher level thinking of theoretical and experimental nature for graduate students that is not covered in any of the other courses in the program. It's basically Adobe Illustrator Advanced. So we'll be doing things, this is one of the projects that we do. I won't show you all the artwork, but just to give you a little bit of a taste. So a couple of series projects and really working on adding dimension and texture to pieces. So kind of building off things that you might have learned in Intro to Illustrator. So you'll be creating original illustrations with superior production and presentation. You will also propose an illustrative project from idea through conception and be able to keep on a schedule that you and I kind of go over. So there's a lot of individual feedback between you and I in the course. I'm sure you might be used to that at an advanced level. So in preparation for the course, as always, please go through the course overview in Canvas. This includes your course syllabus and schedule, your expectations, and so forth to get ready for our class that starts on Monday, January 16th. So if this is your first course with us, under the modules you will see our warm-up here. That's what I call it. That's the course overview. So go over all these links just to get yourself comfortable with the course. And then you'll see here at the very bottom you have your course requirements checklist. So just kind of go through that and just make sure you have everything you need for the course. Okay, let's go ahead and go back here. Just a little bit about me. I know since I didn't do a real video intro. Mostly you can learn about me through my work. This is my website. It's a little dated. As I said, I'm a mom of two young kids, so I don't have a lot of time to go back and update all my client work. I'm a graphic designer by trade, so I have a small agency. I do a lot with surf and running and sports stuff right now, a lot of branding. So you can see a few of my pieces down here. So we have some team designs. I actually got to work on this really cool guitar. The client came to me and had a scratched up situation and wanted to do a custom vinyl wrap. And so this was my solution, and it's all in Adobe Illustrator. That's one of my most fun portfolio pieces, I would say. And a lot of what I do also is custom illustration as far as lettering. So you can see here, it started with a basic typeface, but then kind of modify it to make it a little bit more complicated, which we will actually do a project on custom typography here in this course, and then another shirt design that I did. Just so you can get to know a little bit about me and kind of my background. It's always nice to know, I'm teaching what I'm doing. Okay, let's move on down. Let's see. All right, so whether this is your first online class or you're familiar, it's a great learning experience for everyone. I'm generally online in the evenings checking discussions for work. So as far as redos, you can always revise things. If you completely bomb a project, I'm always fine with you redoing it. Keep in contact with me with what you need. The first thing that you can do when we start off, you can post to it, in our intro week, or save it for week 1 if you wish. Under the discussions tab, you can see the course introductions. And you can post here just a little bit about yourself. I posted mine already, so you can get to know me with my website there, and a picture of myself doing one of the sports that I love. If you're having any Canvas related issues or need technical assistance, contact the IT help desk.